Hello everyone, and welcome to Chasing Adventures. And today is going to be a quick follow-up video regarding aFe Power's TerraGuard rock sliders. So after my initial installation video of these rock sliders, a few people have commented about how aFe didn't think about people with muff flaps, in which case I have muff flaps and I have to zip tie them on. So after seeing those comments and feedbacks from others, aFe actually came up with the mounting solution for those with muff flaps already on the car and that wants to keep them on the car. So they went back to the drawing board and came up with this little bracket for the muff flaps. And I actually received this a while ago, but I never had the time to put them on the car. And recently I went camping and did a bit of an off-roading on a wet day, so the roads were pretty muddy. And I noticed the side without the muff flaps had significantly more debris and mud on the car compared to the side that has the muff flaps. So I knew it was time for me to put the muff flaps. So let's go ahead and put these on and see how well this works. All right, so here's a better look at this bracket. And it's got this part number and an LH for left-hand side and RH for right-hand side. And it does come with this tab for your muff flaps. And to mount this onto bottom of the car, you are going to be using factory push tab that you just took out. So make sure to keep those in hand. But other than that, let's go ahead and get these installed. Okay, and here's the zip tie part. And this is how I mounted before because I didn't have this bracket. And basically the bracket using the OEM push tab will go here and get mounted on here and connected with the muff flaps down there. So it's very simple to do, but first I have to remove the zip tie. All right, so I lined it up and just pushed the tab into the bracket, and that's it. And it's on there. All right, and now I gotta repeat this onto the passenger side and we're all done. So that was pretty simple to do and it works very well. And you gotta understand, this is a brand new product for aFe, so they need some time to make improvements. Just like how you don't buy first-year cars that's been redesigned or new models until they fix all the bugs and make improvements after hearing customers' feedback. However, other than the muff flap issue that I had with installing these rock sliders, the rock slider did fit very well for their first batch, and the muff flap bracket will be included in all future orders for those who wants to keep the muff flaps on the car. And speaking of which, if you see my recent aFe TerraGuard bumper guard installation video, and if you didn't, you could click the link up here, or I'll leave it in the video description so you could view it after this video. But in that video, one of the mounting braces didn't fit quite good as it should, and the skid plate only covered the front of the bumper and left a lot of the underbody open. And after seeing that video, aFe did reach out to me and ask for my feedback and my concerns. And after having a long discussion with them, they quickly addressed my concern by making adjustments to the mounting brace so that the future order will have a better fit. And we'll be making a newer, larger skid plate to cover a lot of the underbody that was left open. And we'll send one out to me once it's complete. So I'll make a follow-up video as soon as that arrives. So from my experience, aFe Power is a great company that takes our feedback seriously and comes up with the solution right away. So make sure to check out aFe Power, as not only they make rock sliders and bumper guard for our car, but they've been well known in the industry for their high flow performance intake and offers other performance parts like catback exhaust system and a 2-inch lift kit for our Subaru as well. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to our channel for more Subaru and camping related videos. And as always, keep chasing adventures, and I'll see you all on my next video.